Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to show you how to make a layered cheer bow or dance hair bow. As you can see, I have 3 different colors. This is 3-inch grosgrain and these are like 1 1/4 or something like that grosgrain. These two I'm going to sew together so we can put this in the center of our white grosgrain so we can layer it. But before we get started, if you are not subscribed to this channel, make sure you go ahead and subscribe. Make sure you like this video. Also make sure you are following me on my social media. That is linked in the description, as well as the links to me and Greg's movie review channel, my vlog channel, and Greg's podcast channel. So let's get into the video. Okay, this is the remainder of what I had on the roll, and this is like 30 inches long, so I'm just gonna leave it this size. But the first thing you want to do for your ribbon is to secure the edges. Now we will be doing this process again, but just to get started first, we're going to secure the edges. Any parts that you have like this that are kind of folded up, you can just iron that down or just leave it until you're completely finished. So I have a crease in mind that shows me where the middle of this is, but we're not going to worry about this piece of ribbon right now because we need to put the yellow and the purple together. So when doing this, this needs to be the same length as the main piece of ribbon. Okay, so most people will glue theirs. I like to sew mine. So I am actually going to use a zigzag stitch, and I have my pieces of ribbon together like this, and I'm going to put the stitch along the side. I want a very small stitch for this. So I'm setting both my length and my width at 1.5. So I have the fabric here, the ribbon. So what I'm going to do is start off by hot gluing this down to this, and that's the only part that I'm going to glue. You can sew yours down. You could do like a zigzag stitch down the middle if that makes it better for you. Okay, so for the next part, we're going to take this and you're just going to do what is like the breast cancer awareness symbol. I'm just going to take it, try to make it as even as possible. And what I like to do is just pull this up, and for me, you can either do like this, or you can sew it. I am going to sew this. So this is the tricky part. And I have a really thick needle. Okay, then I just like to go in the middle here. I'm just going to put the needle through the thread that's already right there. And I'm going to put a little bit of hot glue here to secure the thread just a little bit more. Now you can do this several ways at this point. You can attach this to a hair bow or an alligator clip, or you can attach it to like one of those ponytails for a ponytail. Because this is for autumn and this is just going to be for like homecoming and all the things that are coming up for back to school, I'm going to attach this to a hair clip. Okay, now this is going to be for the center. You can use white or like whatever other color that you're using, but for the most part a lot of what they do is in purple, so I'm using purple. So what I'm going to do is attach this to the center, hot glue it, of course. Just hold that down. We'll get all the excess glue off once we're done. Okay, so I'm just flip this over. Be sure not to get any glue on your finger. It is very hot, especially against the metal. And I do it this way so that because if you close it and you have the glue there, the glue is going to stick the alligator clip together. Okay, so that is on there right now. So what I'm going to do is put a piece through and put a little bit more glue right there. Put that through. So I'm going to close it. And I'm going to cut that. And the other piece, I like to just kind of measure it. I don't want it to go all the way over because I don't want it showing from the opposite side. And there you have it. Now for the ends of the cheer bow or dance bow, whatever you're making it for, we're going to make the fishtails for the ends here. Okay, so here are your fishtail ends. You're just going to secure it with the lighter so it doesn't fray. I'm just going to lay down this part here. So there we have it, your layered cheer bow, dance bow here. Just regular old bow, whatever you want to call it, but this is the easiest way that I've learned to make these, and you can adjust them as needed to fit your own needs, and you can make them any old kind of way. You can use your silhouette or your cricket to give it you know, different designs. Like I say, you could use the alligator clip or you could use a ponyo, whichever works best for you. So I hope you all liked this video. This is going to be for autumn, for the homecoming parade, which we normally walk in, and school is just around the corner. So thank you guys for watching this video. Make sure you are subscribed. Make sure you give me a big old thumbs up. Let me know you like it. And be sure we are sharing these videos out so we can get to 10,000 subscribers. All of my social media is linked below, as well as the link to my vlog channel, me and Greg's movie review channel, and Greg's podcast channel. And until next time, bye.